Okay, this is looking really good. Let's just kind of go around and check it. I think this is too, whoops, this is too narrow in this direction. It should be wider like that. And I'll press 3 to show this rounded version. This one, when you bevel, don't choose those inside edges. I can get rid of that bevel by clicking here, hitting select, and then delete. And then just do the edges that are needed, which are the ones, but not. See, you did all of the edges, and that gives you lots of extra unnecessary detail that makes for kind of a messy model. But if I do this and then Control B, and then adjust the fraction and the divisions, the segments, I mean, something like that. See, it's a much lighter model. And so you did it right there. This is very different from how I did it. Well, not very different, but yeah, again, see it's the same issue here, where you have all these extra edges there. I'm just going to hit select and then delete. And something else is funny. Oh, I know what it is that you've... can we get rid of this extrude? Delete. Oh, okay. Yeah, so when you do this, get these, Control E, extrude, make sure keep faces together is off, scale these in, and what you did is you then push that back. I'm going to undo that. What I'm saying is now extrude again, Control E, and now push that back. See the difference? So you have this kind of flat surface that then goes in, and then the other key is when you bevel it, don't select all of the edges. Like I'm just going to do it now so you see, and you get all this dense stuff when you add segments. So don't select all of them. Select only the edges that need to be beveled. And same here, right? So although interestingly you did this one right, because you see there's just one per thing here. And the problem is you see you get that kind of faceted look to it. Same here. You've got all these extra little edges, and it gives the object a faceted look. So you're going to want to take those off and just very carefully go through and select only the edges that need to be beveled, but not any of the sort of inside edges. I keep doing that. This one, that one, these. This one, that one. That one, that one, that one. That looks like all we need, I think. Control B. And maybe, adjust the fraction a little bit, add a couple segments. So, and you can even, do smooth preview, but it won't, it won't have the faceted look that you had before. Yeah, these look good. That's looking good. This I probably would have done a bigger bevel here. Looks like you missed some edges here, like you beveled some of the bottom, but not the rest. I just didn't bevel the bottom because I thought that should be kind of a harder edge. But you either need to go all the way around or just do some of it. This kind of extends a little bit too far. So yeah, same thing here. Get rid of that bevel and only bevel the ones you needed. So that's the main problem you've had around this. But mostly, I think you've done a good job.